Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install NVIDIA GeForce Experience and update drivers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type NVIDIA GeForce Experience download. Press enter to search. Look for the official NVIDIA website link and click on it. Once on the website, locate the download button for GeForce Experience. Click on the download button to start the downloading process. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the GeForce Experience installer file. Double-click on the installer to begin the installation process. You may see a user account control prompt. Click Yes to allow it to run. Follow the on-screen instructions presented by the installer. Choose the installation options that best suit your needs. Click on Install to proceed with the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, launch GeForce Experience from your desktop or Start menu. Log in with your NVIDIA account or create a new one if needed. In the main interface, click on the Drivers tab at the top. Look for the button that says Check for Updates. Click on this button to see if any driver updates are available. If updates are available, click on the Download button. Wait for the driver files to download. Once downloaded, click Express Installation to easily install the updates. Follow any additional instructions that appear on the screen to complete the installation. After the installation is finished, you can close GeForce Experience. Your NVIDIA drivers are now up to date and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.